Welcome back. It's art time, class.
Don't color.
Today, we're going to be making a color wheel. Let's get started.
Oops, this goes here.
To begin, you're going to need the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You might call blue indigo, and you might call purple violet, and that's all good with me.
And
Let's go ahead and
orange.
get started. Oh yeah, we'll definitely use orange.
Yeah.
If you have something circular and you want to trace it, you can definitely do that. Or you can freehand your circle as well. And I'm going to have a line go down the middle. I'm going to go have a line that goes down from one side, like I'm drawing a big X in the middle like that. Because I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts for my color wheel. If you want to trace something, you need to hold it down in the center and then bring your pencil around. Notice where I'm holding my pencil. If I hold it up here at the tip, it's hard. But if I hold it down towards the end of my pencil, it's easier to trace a circle. Let me get a ruler. Since I traced them, I also want to use a nice ruler for these lines. Again, with my ruler, I have my hand pushing down and I hold it out wide to keep it from wiggling around. And I don't hold my pencil towards the tip. I want to hold it in the middle or towards the end to make a smooth traced line. Now let's get coloring. I like to start with red. It's my favorite primary color.
And I got red.
Can you color one of the triangles over here? You like red too? I like all the colors. Do you like all the colors?
Yeah.
Yeah. The next primary color is yellow, and I'm going to skip over one and color.
And I want that too.
Yeah, you can color on here too. I'm going to color on this one too?
No.
Okay. When I'm coloring really nicely, I outline the shape first, and then I color it in. If I want to be extra creative, and I could do one side dark and then go lighter and lighter and lighter. That's up to you. The next primary color is blue. You want to do blue too?
Yeah.
Light blue, dark blue, it's up to you. So I'm outlining, and then I'm going to color in. If I want to be extra fancy, I could go dark and then go
Blue
lighter.
down bottom.
Yeah, you can do the bottom. Nice. Now these are the primary colors, and when you mix these two together, and these two together, and those together, they'll make the secondary colors in between them. Want to do orange first or green?
Orange.
Orange first. Okay, here's an orange. So orange is between red and yellow.
And blue.
Well, actually, it's the complementary color of blue. It's like the opposite. When you put complementary colors together, they make each other pop when you look at them with your eyes. I like doing the dark in the center and then light as it goes out. Although I'm going to try the opposite for the next one. Let's do green. You want a light green or dark green?
A white
Light green. Okay. So I'm going to go dark out here. And then color in. You're doing a really good job
Right.
coloring in. Yeah, you got that
Two.
light green. We'll go lighter and lighter. This is my color wheel.
down.
Nice. Now there's one color we're still missing, and that's purple, violet. No, that's not the right color. Let's see. This one's one.
And that one.
This one, I can't see. What does it say? Blueberry. Blueberry. That sounds like it's in the blue family, but that looks so purpley and violety. You want to color with it? Let's do it.
Not blue.
Yeah, I kind of want to add a little more dark blue. Do you want to color some more dark blue? I'm going to do that.
And light blue.
This is a navy blue. You want to do light blue?
Yeah.
There you go. Ooh, yes, it's pretty. You can blend and mix those different shades of the color family together if you want.
That,
That's a color
That
family. That's
blue.
like a hue,
that purple.
the type of the color it is. You got it? Okay, cool. Look at this one.
Nee, not
You got
Blue.
that one too?
not blue.
Not blue? Okay.
Purple.
You want to do more purples? Okay, we can do more purples. Ooh, I gotta use a twisty color pencil.
I want 50 candle.
Yeah, you want to use this one?
No.
Okay. You want to use this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. You knew which color to get. Let's take a close look at it. So here I have our color wheel. Red, yellow, and blue are primary.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
That's right, you know all your colors. So red, yellow, and blue are primary.
And orange.
Then orange, green, and purple are secondary colors. Now, I could definitely spend a lot more time coloring this in nicely. You want to keep coloring with me?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to color outside the circle?
Yeah.
Well, let's go for it. What if I do swirls and decorate? Or perhaps, ooh, for yellow, I think I'm going to do lightning lines. That's like a bunch of zigzag lines put together. What color do you want to do?
Apple.
You want to do more purple? Yeah, do some more purple lines with me. For
I want some
green.
yellow.
green, I could do
I want some wing.
green. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Make it fun and decorate it. Let's see some blue. I'm gonna do like water lines, wiggle, wavy lines.
The water.
You like it? It's like water.
And
can
that
change
water. That water.
Yeah, water's blue. Is that what you're saying? Let's see. For red, I could do like a heart line.
That's on heart.
A bunch of hearts. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for liking it. What should I do for orange? I don't know what to do. What do you think?
What difference?
This one right here?
Yeah.
I can make it look like it's blasting off.
Wax. You want me wax?
Oh, it does look like grass. I should have done that on green. Aw.
Wax.
That's okay. I still like the way we're decorating and having fun with it. It almost looks like our color wheel is becoming an explosion of color.
Well, I want purple.
Want to do more purple? I think so too. You want to do some? Yeah. You can do it with me.
See purple bits?
Do you like it? You like our color wheel?
Yeah.
I like it too. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Till next time, keep being creative. Bye.
Bye.